This video is for the second FreeCAD CAM assignment. This object is supplied, it's attached to the assignment, and you'll need to download it and import it into FreeCAD. Pay careful attention to the measurements because you're going to have to remember those. You can always measure them if you forget, but you're going to need to keep in mind heights and depths and things of that nature. So this protrusion, it's also called the boss, is 0.4 high, and the overall height of this portion is 1 inch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the CAM section. It takes a sec to load, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a job. Okay. And we're going to stay with the standard default decimal 040 stock on all sides. Okay. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to face the top, and we're going to finish the top of this. So let's go here. So we've already clicked on that, and click on face. Let's go zigzag, make sure that we change this to stock, and we're going to change our step over to 40%. Okay, now let's go over to our depths, double check. Now we're going to be starting at 1.44. So as I said before, this is decimal 4 high. So 1 plus decimal 4 is 1.4, and plus 040 is the stock. So we're going to start at the top where the stock starts. And then we're going to finish. Our final depth is going to be 1.4, which is the top of this. Okay, just double check operation, and everything seems good. Okay. So we've got that, and there's our toolpath. You can always double check, and it stops right at the top. Okay. And now we're going to do the second level. Let's click on there. And what we're going to choose is we're going to choose adaptive. Okay, so we're going to go outside, and we're going to pick clearing. Let's check our depths. And we can start at 1.40 because we've already gotten rid of that stock. And we're going to stop at 1 inch, which is the top right here. Let's go back to operations just to make sure everything's copacetic. We're clearing on the outside. Okay, let's see how that goes. Okay. And that's our adaptive right there. Okay. That's going to take care of that. Now I'm also going to do a profile. So let's go profile. And let's go on the outside. And go depths. And once again, let's go 1.4. And we stop at 1 inch. Okay. And now, last but not least, let's click out here. So none of these surfaces are clicked on. Let's go profile. I'm going to go outside. Let's go depths. It knows what we're doing. The only thing is, it's going to want to probably try and see if there's scallops and stuff left, so it's going to do that. So let's do this. Okay. And that's it. That's all the toolpaths that you're going to have to create for this assignment. By all means, feel free to double check the simulation. I'm going to run the simulation after this and attach it to the video.